Welcome back to the channel at CarOg 765, where we talk about legendary machines, forgotten classics, and the cars that built automotive history. If you love vintage cars, rare American steel, and stories behind iconic designs, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a classic car story. Today, we are taking a deep and appreciative look at one of the most respected American cars of the early 1950s, the 1951 Buick Super. The 1951 Buick Super represents a very important moment in American automotive history. This was a time when the United States was coming out of the post-war era, optimism was high, and car buyers wanted vehicles that symbolized success, comfort, and confidence. Buick understood this mindset perfectly. Positioned between the more basic Buick Special and the luxurious Buick Roadmaster, the Buick Super offered a balance of performance, style, and prestige that appealed to middle and upper middle class families across America. From the very first glance, the 1951 Buick Super makes a strong statement. The design is bold, wide, and confident, reflecting the American love for big cars. The front grille is large and imposing, often called the toothy grin, with thick vertical chrome bars that instantly identify it as a Buick. The hood stretches long and proud, giving the car a powerful stance even when standing still. Buick's famous portholes on the front fenders add a unique character that set it apart from competitors. These portholes were not just decoration, they became a signature design element that people still associate with Buick today. The body lines of the 1951 Buick Super are smooth and flowing, showing the transition from pre-war styling to more modern post-war design. The car feels heavy and solid, and that was exactly what buyers wanted at the time. Doors close with a satisfying weight, and the overall build quality reflects Buick's reputation for durability and comfort. Whether it was a sedan, coupe, or convertible, the Super looked elegant without being overly flashy. Step inside the 1951 Buick Super, and you are welcomed into a world of comfort and classic American luxury. The interior is spacious, designed to comfortably seat a family or a group of friends. Wide bench seats, often upholstered in cloth or leather depending on the trim, offer a soft and relaxed ride. The dashboard is beautifully designed with chrome accents, clear gauges, and a layout that feels both functional and stylish. Everything inside the cabin feels thoughtfully placed, from the steering wheel to the radio controls. Buick paid special attention to ride comfort, and it shows. The suspension is tuned to glide over rough roads, making long-distance driving a pleasure. This was a car built for cruising, whether on city streets or long highways. In the early 1950s, highways were expanding rapidly in America, and the Buick Super was perfectly suited for this new era of road travel. Under the hood, the 1951 Buick Super is powered by Buick's famous straight-eight engine. This engine was one of Buick's strongest selling points. Smooth, reliable, and torquey, the straight-eight delivered power in a refined and quiet manner. It wasn't about aggressive speed, it was about effortless performance. The engine produced enough horsepower to move the heavy body with ease, providing confident acceleration and a relaxed driving experience. One of the standout features of the 1951 Buick Super was the Dynaflow automatic transmission. Buick was one of the early pioneers of automatic transmissions, and Dynaflow was designed to deliver ultra-smooth acceleration without noticeable gear shifts. While it wasn't the most performance-focused transmission, it perfectly matched Buick's philosophy of comfort and smoothness. For many buyers, this automatic transmission was a luxury feature that made driving easier and more enjoyable. Driving the 1951 Buick Super is an experience that takes you back in time. The steering is light, the ride is soft, and the car feels like it was made to float down the road. You don't rush in this car. You cruise. You enjoy the sound of the engine, the view over the long hood, and the feeling of being in something solid and well built. This is classic American motoring at its finest. The Buick Super was not just a car, it was a symbol of achievement. Owning a Buick in 1951 meant you had arrived at a certain level in life. It was often chosen by professionals, business owners, and families who wanted something better than average but not overly extravagant. Buick's marketing focused on quality, engineering, and value, and the Super fit perfectly into that image. In terms of competition, the 1951 Buick Super faced rivals from Oldsmobile, Chrysler, and Mercury. However, Buick's straight-8 engine and smooth ride gave it a unique advantage. Many buyers appreciated Buick's reputation for reliability and lower maintenance costs compared to some luxury brands. This balance helped Buick remain one of the strongest names in the American automotive industry during this period. Today, the 1951 Buick Super is highly respected among classic car collectors and enthusiasts. While it may not always receive the same attention as more expensive classics, those who understand automotive history truly appreciate its significance. Restored examples are often seen at classic car shows, where they attract attention for their size, elegance, and unmistakable Buick identity. Collectors value the 1951 Buick Super for its solid construction and availability of parts compared to rarer models. The straight-8 engine, though old-fashioned by modern standards, is known for its durability when properly maintained. Restoring one of these cars is a labor of love, but the result is a beautiful piece of American history that can still be driven and enjoyed. Another reason the 1951 Buick Super remains popular is its versatility. It looks just as good parked at a show as it does cruising down the road. Some owners keep them completely original, while others customize them with period-correct modifications like whitewall tires, upgraded interiors, or subtle paint changes. No matter the approach, the car always retains its classic charm. The sound of the straight-8 engine, the shine of the chrome, and the sheer presence of the car create an emotional connection that modern vehicles often lack. In a world of digital dashboards and lightweight materials, the 1951 Buick Super reminds us of a time when cars were built with steel, style, and soul. For YouTube channels like at CarOg 765, cars like the 1951 Buick Super are perfect examples of why classic cars matter. They tell stories about people, culture, and technology. They represent dreams, progress, and the spirit of their time. When you see a Buick Super today, you are not just looking at a car, you are looking at history on wheels. The legacy of Buick is deeply tied to cars like the Super. It helped establish Buick as a brand that stood for comfort, engineering excellence, and understated luxury. Without models like the 1951 Super, Buick's reputation would not be what it is today. As we appreciate the 1951 Buick Super, it is important to remember the era it came from. This was a car designed for families, road trips, and everyday life, not just for speed or racing. It represents stability, confidence, and optimism. These values are reflected in every curve, every chrome detail, and every mile it travels. Even today, when you see a well-maintained 1951 Buick Super driving down the road, it commands respect. People turn their heads, not because it is flashy, but because it is dignified. It has presence. It tells a story without saying a word. If you are a classic car enthusiast, the 1951 Buick Super deserves a place in your heart. It may not be the most famous classic, but it is one of the most honest and well-rounded cars of its time. It shows what American automakers were capable of when design, engineering, and purpose came together. Thank you for watching this detailed appreciation of the 1951 Buick Super on at CarOg 765. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring more classic car stories, rare models, and automotive history to you. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 1951 Buick Super and which classic car you want to see next. Until next time, keep the passion for classic cars alive, and keep the fire burning with at CarOg 765.